Hi guys, welcome. We've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max here and I'm going to run an AnTuTu benchmark using version 10. So my Google Pixel 7 was 2.85 and the A16 was 3.46 gigahertz, and now we've got 3.78. So there's quite a bit of an increase there, although the 4 efficiency cores are still running at 2020, but this is on a 3 nanometer process technology. So let's start the test. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is the noise of the fans or something. There was some noise there. It sounds like a fan. That is now the game, or the test, using audio as well. It uses hardware ray tracing, which is now on the CPU, which is obviously a lot faster than just using software version. If you go on my webpage at Gadget Show Tech, maybe search for iPhone 15, all the specs are up there and all the percentages of increases that Apple have claimed, so it's official. Now I did run this test a minute ago, so this is the second time this test has been run. So I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm gonna put this on fast forward speed from here. What I will do is read out what's coming up. RAM bandwidth, RAM latency, ROM sequential read, ROM sequential write, ROM random read, random write, database, FFT operation, single gem operation, encryption and decryption, map operation, hash checksum, 2D physics, multi-threading, multi-gem operation, OpenMP, UI lag. Okay, it's changed to different graphics now, so we'll leave that at normal speed. Hash checksum, secure message, XML, just on passing, PDF processing, JPEG decoding, HEIF decoding, PNG decoding, WebP decoding, image processing fish. And there we go. So we have our final results. The overall total score is actually very good. It's higher than one I've seen, although the CPU has come down a little bit, but memory's gone up. RAM bandwidth. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.